Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an
Welcome to my channel. Here is my small hydroponics system. It's a mini system where I can grow different small herbs. For now, this is only pothos I have put it in there. And as you can see, this is my clay pallets I'm using. And I got, as you can see, this, you can see the part of my U siphon. So in few seconds I'll show you how it works. Before I start doing that, let's have a look at the other parts. So that was the first part, and then the second part is your fish tank. So I got a small fish tank. I did put some plants, not a lot, but since it's small, it's good for the size. And I put in guppies in there. And now, as you can see, we are of course in Toronto, so we need a heater. So heater, which is hidden below the gravel. Then on the right hand corner, I don't know if I can point it like this. Yeah, right there behind the fish. That's my water pump. This pump takes using this tube, which is not very much visible here. Once the pump is turned on, this particular tube, as you can see, I'll try to follow it. Not this one, but this one. This is the one taking the water up and up and up and up until here. And it comes, and there is here you go. You see the spout. It pours the water in here. And once it is filled up till the top, the siphon kicks in and the water starts coming down, which you can see now. This fall of the water is very good for fish as it simulates rain. So that's how it works. Let me know if you like it and what improvements can I do